Hey Jack,
What's up, John?
have you seen the news on the weather?
No, what's on the weather? Let me guess, cats and dogs?
Nope, it's raining. Crates,
What? How is that possible?
This is a robbery.
hey, that's illegal. Don't hurt my friend.
John, I don't feel so good.
No, don't go.
Goodbye.
I will get revenge. You. Your kind will pay. Jack, take this embalming potion. Your death will not be in vain.
Breaking news. Evil crates have been falling from the sky. If see them, destroy them. Make sure your family are safe and sound. Here's what they look like.
Rocky!
Mr. President,
What now? Have a meeting in an hour.
press the nuke button.
But my city, my riches, my fame.
Just do it.
All right. This better be worth it.
The crates are gone. Oh, Jack, I wish you were here with me. We met in preschool.